Welcome back to Corby Q. I'm Corby. Today I am just at the store picking up some stuff for tonight's meal, making some creamy cheesy patty melts. Let's get this rolling.
Just don't let it go, 'cause there ain't no getting off till we get
Here we are, we're outside. Summer is coming to an end. And it's a nice, breezy, cool day. Nice overcast. Got 3 burgers on my char. They're going on the griddle right now. We're gonna get these cooked. We're gonna get some onions. We're gonna flip over. We're gonna use the grill mark side. We're gonna put some onions and some cheese, and we're gonna press them. You know how this goes. Let's get this griddling. Burgers are cooked. Gonna throw some mozzarella and some sharp cheddar on these. Let them melt. We're gonna pull them off of the hot side. We're just gonna let them warm up, and we're gonna cook these onions. What I did was I flipped the griddle over, and I have some sliced onions over here that I am going to. I got them with some olive oil and some salt and some pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and put some balsamic vinegar on them. And I'm going to throw them on the griddle side, the grill mark side, just so I can get a little char at them. Okay, I got the onions with some balsamic. I'm going to go put them on the griddle, or on the grill side, and we're going to cook them up. That's what the onions look like. They're right on the griddle. And we are going to let those cook till they're soft, maybe a minute. Then I'm going to baste them real quick with some more, with some more balsamic vinegar. I'll brush that on, and then we will get these flipped. Onions have been flipped. Gonna let those char a little bit more. School bus. Gonna let those char a little bit more on the other side. Then I'm gonna put the onions on the burgers. Let the onions melt into the cheese. I'm gonna butter up some onion rye bread. Put the sandwiches together, and we're gonna put them on the sandwich press right here on the grill. Onions are done. I got them on the burger. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid on char, and I'm going to let the cheese melt a little bit more before we get the bread on the griddle side and press these bad boys. Got some onion marble rye bread. We're going to put some butter side down. Going to get these burgers nice and melty. Man, that's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Actually, that's not as big as I thought it was going to be. Haha, that's what she said. Let's grab the other half of this this bread. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to get our burger press. Look at this. Brand new from the store, bricks with aluminum foil. 1, come on. 2, stay. Good brick. See, the burgers doesn't fill up the side of the bread, so it's a little wobbly. We're gonna let that sit and get crusty and melty. Well, let's take a look at them. Man, that one slid right off. That's all right. That's okay. Oh, that one got a little slidey as well. That can be one of the kids. Looks like I put it butter side the wrong way. See if we can get these up and save them. There's 1. There's 2. Oh yeah. There's 3. We're gonna let that cook. We'll set those bricks on there one more time, and then we will take these off and get them a little taste. You know what? There you go. There's your noodle. When we come back, we'll give these a taste. Burger is done. Nice and crispy. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and cut this. That looks good, right? Yeah? Got some cheese. Let's go ahead, grab a piece, we'll give it a taste. There we go. Cheers. Hot. Hot. Perfect. Hot. Woo! Onions are great with that. Oh man, with that balsamic vinegar. I must call it raspberry. Oh, it's tangy. It's good. It's good. Both cheeses, mozzarella and cheddar. Burger cooked perfectly how I like it. I was like, I don't know, maybe a little bit above medium to me. Oh man. So we're gonna get these in here. We're gonna feed the kids. I got some fries cooking in the deep fryer. Doesn't matter if you're smoking it, baking it, frying it, or griddling it. Keep doing what you do, guys. Take care.